Welcome kit is not as expensive as you think. Let's discuss about that today. Hi guys, welcome to LDFS. I'm Dr. Lakshmi. Today we'll be discussing about welcome kits. Now let's understand first what do I mean by welcome kit. Welcome kit is some goodie which you gift to your patient when they first come to your clinic. It can be anything, it can be a file, it can be a oral hygiene kit, it can be a small pouch, anything. That goodie which we gift is known as welcome kit. Do you feel that these kind of welcome kit is expensive, and do you doubt whether it is worth the time, effort and the money? Let's discuss about that today. Think of welcome kit as the infrastructure of your clinic. The infrastructure, you can make it as sophisticated as possible. You can spend a lot of money in that. But does it have a direct impact on the patient inflow? No, right? It affects indirectly. It enhances the patient experience and thus that brings us more patient. The same scenario applies to welcome kit. It helps us to enhance the patient experience and thus bring in more patient through them, that is through referred patients. That is how welcome kit is helpful for us. Now let's go into much deeper about it. Take for example, I'll share with you one personal example which I have faced. When I was kid, we used to consult a dermat doctor. At that time, that doctor used to give us a nice file with our prescription. That file was white in color, plastic, good quality, sturdy one. It had the clinic name written in navy blue colors. I still remember each and every detail of it. The reason was I have used that file for so many things at my house. We used to keep the prescription in that. After some time, we used to keep some bills, some certificates. It was so many times reused in my clinic, my home itself. So, what effect did it had? It had a constant reminder in our mind about the clinic. The name of the clinic was subconsciously etched into our minds. That is the effect of that simple file which it had. Now, it may not be that much expensive, but it helped us remember that clinic for quite a long time. Same thing applies with us. Whenever we are giving some welcome kit to our patients, always think whether it is useful for the patient, whether the patient will use it, is the quality good. Then, if you need to spend 1 or 2 rupees extra for a better quality, go for it. If you feel that the patient will use it and is valuable to the patient, then go ahead and spend that extra money. It's okay because those things will be there in his house and he'll reuse that in various format and he will remember our clinic's name because patient will forget about us. They may remember the experience which they had, but they need not remember the clinic's name or our doctor's name because they visit hardly once a year or maybe sometimes once 2 3 years. That is also possible, so they need not remember us always. But if they have something at their house which will constantly remind them about us, it's a good marketing strategy which we can have. We are just investing at the time when the patient is coming for the first time, but it is continuously giving us results by doing the marketing and reminding them about our clinic. And subconsciously, our clinic's name will be etched in their mind. That is the effect which a good welcome kit will have. And a good welcome kit need not be expensive. It is just, it has to be useful for the patient. And the quality has to be little good. That is what matters. Now, I'll give you another example. Not only in our field, if you take the bank sector, they provide calendar of New Year to every account holders. Why do they do that? They do that because these calendars people will keep in their on their wall and all, and they will remember the bank's name always. They are seeing their name subconsciously we always remember that name. And if something is required, we'll go ahead and search in that bank whether what is the deposit charges, what are the other loan charges, etc. But that is what they use. They use the remarketing strategy, that is reminding us about them. That is what is the benefit of a welcome kit. And it is equally applicable in our field also. Imagine you are a pedodontist. If you are giving a nice certificate to your patient, do you think the kid will be happy? Do you think the kid will cherish that a lot? How much did you spend on that? Not much, right? We know it won't be costing more than 3 or 5 rupees if you are buying in bulk. But the patient will always cherish it. The kid will tell the patient that, sorry, the kid will tell their parent that take us to that doctor who gave us that certificate. So that is something which you have to think about. What is that one thing, one goodie which you can give to the patient, which the patient will remember us? It may not be expensive, but it has to be useful, or at least they should value that thing. I hope you liked today's video. Kindly like, share, and subscribe us. Let us know in the comment section how did you like this idea. Send us a hi on this number. We'll add you to our broadcast list and you'll be the first person to receive any free content which we are releasing online. Thank you so much, guys.